Hello everyone and welcome back to Vlada's Place. Since you're watching this video, I will assume that you're as big of a fan of pomegranates as I am. Pomegranate tree is so easy to grow. Just like figs, they don't require a whole lot of water and they don't need a lot of attention. What I like the most about the pomegranate and figs is that they are resilient and resistant to insects and other tree diseases. Perhaps that's just one of the reasons why they're so healthy for us. If you are new at growing pomegranate trees and you're wondering when is the right time to pick the fruit, here are a couple of tips. Depending on climate, pomegranate usually ripens at the end of the September or beginning of the October. However, in case you are unsure if they are ready for picking, just ask the birds. As you can see here, birds know when the pomegranate is ripe because that's when they come and start picking. So once the birds come to help themselves to pomegranate, it's time for you to start picking as well. I live in Southern California, and this climate is perfect for growing figs, citrus, and pomegranates. If you are unable to grow pomegranates in your backyard, I would suggest to plant a fruit tree that would thrive in your climate. There's just something about being able to go to your backyard and pick a fresh piece of fruit off a tree. Not to mention that this is a great thing to do for your kids. Normally, kids and I will peel the pomegranate and eat it in these little pieces, if you will. Now, today I'm going to try to make juice, and I'm going to try to use this old juicer, and we'll see how much juice we can squeeze out of this. This is the first time I'm making pomegranate juice. Normally, kids and I would just eat the seeds. While this juicer works great, one disadvantage was the amount of energy that you need to apply in order to get juice. So after the first try, I had to call my son to help me, and even he struggled some, so we decided to take the gadget down on the floor where we had a lot more leverage, and finally this juicer worked like a charm. Not the easiest way to get to the pomegranate juice. I'm breathless. There was a lot of pushing here, but we got our juice. This is 2 pomegranates and it's freshly squeezed, and it could not be better than this. So cheers to you and to your health. This is so good. It tastes nothing like the store-bought pomegranate juice because it's sweet. The fruit is ripe, it's freshly squeezed, so there's no that aftertaste or bitterness that you normally get with pomegranate juice. Delicious and so worth the effort. And best of all, pomegranate is so easy to grow. Again, this tree, just like a fig tree, they don't have a lot of enemies, so they thrive. If you are in the right climate, I would suggest plant a pomegranate tree. So again, you know, I'm all about healthy eating and going back to the natural way of life, and this is the simplest and the easiest way to do something for your family if you have a piece of dirt and if you live in an area where a pomegranate can grow. So go ahead, plant a pomegranate and enjoy its fruits. Just out of the curiosity, I wanted to try a couple of more things and see if I could figure out the better way to extract more juice. Apparently, both electrical in this manual little juicer did not work as well as the juicer we started with. So now we learned something together. So if you have a better idea or a better way of getting juice out of pomegranates, please let me know. Until then, please stay well and take good care of yourself and those around you.